Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be practicing our skip counting. When we are able to skip count, we can count to 100 faster, and we can also find patterns and numbers that will help us when we're doing addition and subtraction. So the first one we're going to do is all of these are going to be skip counting by 5. But the first one starts with 5, and so that's pretty easy to know the pattern. This will also help us when we're doing our math test where we have to find the missing number, because a lot of those are counting by 5. So when we're counting by 5s, what comes after 5? It's 10. What's next? 15, 20, 25, 30, and then 35. So the next line on number 2, it doesn't tell us what number that we start with. It only tells us the number that's halfway through. So what strategy do you think we should use to try and help us find what number to start on? So one thing we can do is we can count forwards by 5s. So 35, 40, 45. And what can we do to go backwards? Yeah, we count backwards by 5s, and that's a little bit more tricky. So if I was counting by 5s, what number comes before 30? 25. Good. And then what number comes before that? 20. And the number before that is 15. Very good. So we're going to use that strategy of counting forwards and backwards by 5s to help us find numbers all the way through the front part of this worksheet. So number 3, we have 70 in the middle. So we'll start by counting forwards. So 75, 80, 85. And then we'll go backwards. So before 70 would be 65, 60, and 55. Good. So number 4 has 55 on the second line. So what number, when we're counting by 5s, comes before 55? It's 50. Very good. So then we can just keep counting by 5s. 60, 65, 70, 75, and 80. Very good. On the next line, 75 is at the very end, so there's nothing that we can count forward with, but we're just going to have to count backwards. So we count backwards. 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, and the very first one would be what? 45. Very good. Okay. So now we're on the number 6. We can count both forwards and backwards. So we can start counting forwards from 60. So we go 65, 70, 75, and then 80. Before 60 would be 55 and 50. Very good. Number 7, the easiest, we can just do the number that comes before 15. That's 10. And so then what comes after 15? 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Very good. Okay, so now we have 65 towards the end. So let's count forward. 70, 75. Good. So we notice that in the ones place, it's a pattern. It's a 0 and then a 5, and we just put whatever comes in the front, right? So if we're going backwards, we have 60, 55, 50, and 45. Very good. Now we have 35 in the middle, so we'll just go forwards. 40, 45, 50, and if we count backwards, we go 30, 25, and 20. Good. And on the last one, this is really similar to number 2 that we did. We just know that what comes before 15 is 10. Oh, it's actually the same one as number 7. 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Very good. Oh my goodness. Can you hear Mr. Stewart? He's so loud. And then if I turn it over on the... Good job, boys and girls. Boys and girls, we're just doing some more addition problems. So go through and do it however, whatever strategy works best for you.